Once I click on this, I want to make sure I go in and that I add permissions. I'm going to be looking for Fabric or the Power BI service to enable that. Now, I happen to know at the time of this video, there's no Fabric services in here because I've already looked. It doesn't exist. We're talking Power BI services. So I'm going to find the Power BI service. I'm going to select this service. Now, I could choose to delegate permissions, and they're going to be like at the equivalent of like an individual user. There might be some use cases for this, but I'm going to focus in for the purpose of this video on the application permissions. Okay. So what this is going to do is it's going to allow me to establish for this ID tenant read all and tenant read write all. Okay. So by checking these, what this is going to do is allow this ID to be able to see everything that I have in Fabric, read everything that's out there, and more importantly, write everything that I have in Fabric. So the creation of stuff or anything I need to do in the space, this ID is going to have all the access that I need to have that in order to do that. So I'm going to say, okay, add permissions. Now, look at this right here. I added them, but it says it's not been granted. What the heck? I just added them, right? Why would it say not given if it wasn't? Well, that's because these are admin level permissions, and you need a tenant admin in order to grant these permissions. Okay. Fortunately, I am said tenant admin, so I'm going to click on grant permissions. It's going to ask me to confirm because, again, I'm giving this tenant level access. Right, you don't want to necessarily do this for anything and everything. Then you know the other path you go down that other path of user based permissions for that. Okay, for this, I'm going to say yes. It's going to think, and then I'm going to, very importantly here, I'm going to have all green boxes right here. Okay, if you don't see green boxes on everything, that means you don't have everything set up right.